Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the BLACK+DECKER 20V Dustbuster, a compact handheld vacuum that promises portable, powerful cleaning, perfect for both home and car use. At first glance, the Dustbuster looks sleek and practical, designed to tackle quick messes without the need for dragging around a bulky vacuum. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Dustbuster is powered by a 20V max lithium-ion battery, offering a solid combination of suction power and efficiency. That lithium-ion battery not only ensures longer-lasting performance, but also charges quickly, minimizing downtime. You're looking at up to 40% more suction power compared to previous models, which makes it well-suited for cleaning small debris, dust, and dirt, whether on hard floors, carpets, or upholstery. It also utilizes a two-stage filtration system that helps maintain suction power over time, which is a nice touch for those who need consistent performance. The removable battery is part of BLACK+DECKER's Powerconnect system, meaning you can easily swap out the battery for a fresh one, though you'll need to buy additional batteries separately if you want longer cleaning sessions. This vacuum is cordless, which is a huge plus if you're tired of being tethered to an outlet while you clean. It gives you freedom to clean anywhere, from your car to your couch, without any restrictions. It's also incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around and maneuver into tight spaces. The onboard crevice tool adds to the convenience, allowing you to quickly clean those hard-to-reach corners or between cushions. When it comes to real-world use, the Dustbuster shines for quick, on-the-go cleanups. It works effortlessly on hard floors, picking up dust and small debris with ease. On carpeted areas, it does a decent job of lifting dirt, though it may struggle with deeply embedded particles or thicker carpets. In terms of pet hair, it can manage light shedding, but for heavier or more stubborn pet hair, you might want to look for a more specialized model. The crevice tool makes it easy to get into tight spots, and for cleaning your car or upholstery, it's a lifesaver. However, one area where it doesn't fully deliver is on long-term heavy-duty use. While the suction power is impressive for its size, it does have limitations when tackling larger messes or larger homes with multiple floors. The 20V battery gives you around 15 to 20 minutes of runtime, which is fine for quick jobs, but may require recharging if you're cleaning a larger area or multiple surfaces. The noise level is relatively low, which is a nice feature for those who want to avoid the high-pitched whine of larger vacuums. The Dustbuster's build quality feels sturdy enough, though the lightweight design does come at the cost of some plastic components that might feel a bit flimsy if not handled carefully. The dustbin is easy to empty, but it's not the largest capacity, so you may find yourself emptying it more often if you're tackling larger messes. Maintenance is fairly simple. The filter is easy to clean, and the dustbin empties quickly without making a mess. In terms of value for money, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Dustbuster is well suited for those who need a reliable portable vacuum for small cleanups and light-duty tasks. It's ideal for apartments, quick cleaning jobs, or spot cleaning in your car. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that can handle more intense cleaning sessions or larger areas, you might want to consider a higher-end model with stronger suction or longer battery life. For pet owners or allergy sufferers, it's a decent option, but you'll need to manage expectations for heavy pet hair or deep carpet cleaning. Comparing it to other similar handheld vacuums, models like the Dyson V7 Trigger or the Shark WanVac might offer more power or additional features, but they come at a higher price point. For those on a budget, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster offers a solid mix of performance and portability at an affordable price. As for maintenance and longevity, this vacuum doesn't come with any major reliability concerns based on the feedback. But like any handheld vacuum, you'll want to take care of the battery and filter to ensure it lasts. Long-term performance generally depends on how often it's used and maintained. But given its compact design, it's unlikely to endure the wear and tear of a heavy-duty machine. For customer support, BLACK+DECKER has a solid reputation, with helpful service for warranty claims and general inquiries. If you need to replace the battery or parts, they are readily available. But remember, Those extra batteries can add up over time if you plan to extend your cleaning sessions. So, to wrap up, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Dustbuster is a great option if you're in the market for a lightweight, just portable vacuum that excels in quick cleanups around the house or in the car. While it might not replace your full-size vacuum for heavy-duty tasks, it offers good performance for its price, making it an excellent choice for small spaces, light messes, and car interiors. It's a solid performer, especially if you prioritize convenience and portability over raw suction power or battery longevity. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this product, you can find the link to get it in the comments box below. Let me know if you've had any experience with this vacuum or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay clean and keep those messes at bay with the right tools. Goodbye, till next time.